Hey guys, it's Tiff from TMI Gifts. So if you don't know, we have lots of stuff coming in like all the time right now. I think we have new shipments coming in literally every single week, and Macy is constantly trying to get those in for you guys. So Morgan sent me home a basket of goodies, and I thought I'll just do an unboxing on it and see where this goes. I think some items you might have seen in previous YouTube videos, but the ribbon you haven't seen. You haven't seen. And we have so much more that's came in. 4-inch deluxe designer ribbon. You're gonna want to get your hands on that for the Christmas season. You're not gonna want to miss it. So, okay, let me put these hands down because I am talking a lot with them. Let's get started. One thing that I think is really, really cool that we have in is this skeleton candelabra. I think this thing is like $1.50 or $2.50. It is so cute. Let me go get some back trays for this. I'm back and I've got some batteries. So let's check this thing out. I think this is really cute. And for all you wreath makers out there, I think it would be really cool in a wreath because it is battery operated. Ooh, spooky. Is that showing up on my? Let's see. Well, you can't really tell. But anyways, I think this is really, really cute. I'm gonna have to steal my batteries back, but all you wreath makers, y'all need this. This is cute. This is cute. Batteries in this house, we have to run a bubble machine at all times, so we gotta keep the batteries. All right, so you can find this at tmigifts.com. So one of my favorite things is our ribbon. Duh. So, velvet ribbon to be specific though. And I'm probably not gonna send this back to the store because I'm probably gonna buy it. This is beautiful. Look at how pretty that is. Gorgeous. It's absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna show how pretty it is. Maybe I shouldn't talk. Ooh, look at that. I will be making a bow with this, so I'm an Ole Miss fan, and that's gonna be gorgeous. Kind of what I was thinking is like, let's see what all Morgan. I really haven't even gone through. I haven't even gone through here. It looks like she pulled me though all the ribbon I wanted for a bow. Oh yeah, look at that 4-inch ribbon. So this is Do Peony. And then I was kind of thinking this, or maybe, I don't know, like maybe that. Ooh, I think I like that better. Yep, I think that will be my bow. We have multiple colors in this. We have this in a 1.5 inch, and then we have 2.5 inch, not this specific color, but we do have it in other colors. So you're gonna wanna get your hands on this, especially for Christmas. This is beautiful. Okay, let's just go ahead and go into all our football lovers. Like, football's coming up. My husband can't quit talking about it. And I like to decorate, you know, like put a bow for football. So you guys can see it real good, but look at that. Look at that ribbon. All my Mississippi people, you need that. Is that not so pretty? I'm going to buy this. Look at that. Look how pretty that is. That is a 2.5 inch. That's what the back looks like. And all these have 10 yards on them, so very, very pretty. Let's go ahead and show the 4-inch Do Peony. So put in the comments, like, how do you pronounce Do Peony? Because all our crafting friends are like, Do Peony. But me and Lori, we say Duponi. Duponi. Is that the Mississippi in us? So definitely tell us down below, like, how do you say it? Also, have you shopped with us before? If you have, leave us a Christmas tree in the comments if you've shopped with us before. I would love to know. Could comment and talk to you guys back and forth. I love talking to you guys. So this is the Do Peony ribbon. So this is a 4-inch ribbon, and I really love, Lori has taught me how to make the loop bow, and I'll probably do a tutorial on this again because I love to make the loop bow. And so I just love how it looks on a boxwood, which we also carry, by the way, but I love a 4-inch, then a 2.5 inch, and then a 1.5 inch. Like, I love the way that she designs her bows. And so she's got me to where, like, I make my bows that same way. Show you this. This is not beautiful. This is also a ribbon that we have in several different colors, and we have it in several different sizes. So we have a 2.5 inch and 1.5 inch as well. This is a really good ribbon. A lot of people go towards that. It's really, really nice. Okay, so it looks like a lot of this is ribbon, like new ribbon. Let's go ahead and talk about these bells. So last year we didn't have a whole lot of bells in, and we had such requests for the bells that we were like, we gotta get these bells back. So actually, I am really, really excited about this because my tree is in bells. Like, I do a very cottage core, old-timey Christmas tree, I guess you would say. It's red and white, it's very pretty. But we've got these bells, and I'm gonna tell the item number, X24541. It's called a red and gold ruffle bell. And so, oh yeah, because it's got the ruffle details on the bottom. Look how pretty that is. Let me come up close. You wanna see how pretty that is? Oh my gosh, stop it, there's 3 different sizes. Wait, is there 3? Does this come as a set? Okay, no, that's the same size. That is the same size. But look, there's a little one too. Okay, I'm not sure if these come as a set or not, but I'll let you know on the screen here. Look somewhere up here and I'll let you know. A bottle of bones and witches brooms. And I'm guessing like these would be like great little things to stick around like in your kitchen for decor. I'm sure these are like 50 cents. So we have these as well. I think these are really cute. I'm trying to think of what else you would do with these. So let me know in the comments below. What would you do with these? I want to know. This is so beautiful. This is a 4-inch. It's natural Barnhouse Snowflakes linen vintage ribbon. Look how beautiful that is. Can you see how pretty that is? Oh my gosh. So if you're into that like very vintage look, this is beautiful. This is a mixture of ribbon. Morgan said, I'm gonna throw Tiffany for a loop here because I have Halloween, I have fall, and I have Christmas stuff. This is a new ghost one. I think this is really stinking cute. This is also a 2.5-inch ribbon. It's so cute. Very good quality. Oh my gosh, look at the braiding on the sides. Let me see. Can you see that? Can you see the braiding on the sides? That is so cute. We got a new candy corn. So we did have, and we might still have a few in stock, the candy corn with the fuzzy edging, but this is a new one, which we really, really needed a new one. So I love this one. This one is very pretty as well. This is really, really cute. I really like that. But when I told you the edging just a minute ago, this is kind of like what, oh, this is kind of a tinsel. So the other was kind of fuzzy. This is more of a tinsel. Look how cute this ribbon is. Look at that. Look at that. That is so cute, isn't it? We have like one more ribbon that I would classify as Halloween, and it is this diagonal stripe, this pink glitter black and orange. Look how pretty that is. So a 1.5-inch. This is really pretty for that more whimsical. I think this would be really good with, we have a, it's called Fabulous. I'll pop it up somewhere over here, but it's a really cute sign, and I think this would be so cute with it. I'm gonna jump into fall ribbon. So, you know, guys, I've just given up on sitting down because I'm like, y'all need to see all these close up. But look at this fall ribbon. Is this not pretty? I would love this paired with, let's see. I think I would like it paired with, well, would you pair it with something like this? Tell me, what would you do? I think that is so pretty though. I think it's different, but I really love the pumpkins too. And again, everything will be linked down below. But look at this pumpkin ribbon. Oh, that one's pretty too. It's like a pumpkin with a plaid. I think these blues are a very popular color for fall. But let's look and see. Would this velvet be pretty with that? Well, what do y'all think? Would that be pretty? I feel like that would be really pretty. This is a really pretty ribbon. Like, it gives me like peppermint swirls. Like, that's what it's reminding me of. This is a 4-inch ribbon, and it's got glitter on it. Look at the glitter. Is that glitter not so pretty? And then check this ribbon out. Lori actually used this ribbon yesterday for a customer, I believe. But look at that. It's like a metallic red and green stripe. Put this in your green monster Christmas themed tree, or you know, any traditional tree. Morgan did a good job of packing this up. This also screams green monster to me. Look how cute that is. This is a 2.5-inch, and I'm loving the stripes with the polka dots. That's really, really cute. And then we have this, which is adorable with the fuzzy edging. Look how pretty that is. Again, these are all new ribbons. You're gonna be able to shop these right now. They are on the website right now. Again, to shop anything at www.tmigifts.com, and everything is linked in the description below. Apparently, when I was going through the fall ribbon, I missed this ribbon, but look how pretty that is. Pair that with some sunflowers. Oh, and some plaid ribbon. How pretty would this be on a swag or a wreath? Or even just a bow, but oh my gosh, that's beautiful. And the last one we have is this. So it comes in a 2.5 inch and a 1.5 inch. Let's see if this one does not have a name either, but you know, again, everything's in the description below. But I'm sure it's something baking. Oh, I would love this in my kitchen. Look how cute this is. This would be so cute in your kitchen. What can you put bows on in your kitchen? Do any of you guys do a, like above your stove top, do you do like a little arrangement or anything like that? That would be so cute. So if you like this video, be sure to like and follow. We have lots more stuff. Oh my gosh, you can't even imagine the stuff that we have in store. Be sure to like and follow. So thank you so much for watching. Bye. Oh, snap. Over here is sweating.